Looking for home design inspiration? You're in the right place. Seriously, I just stumbled upon the definition of a dream kitchen, and I am absolutely obsessed. This is Modern Tudor meets organic, and the vibe is just expensive. Wow. First things first, look up. We are talking about a vaulted ceiling that hits maybe 14 feet at the peak, complete with these gorgeous, dark, exposed timber beams. It completely elevates the whole space. It's so grand, but not stuffy, you know? It's totally giving cozy mansion vibes. And the palette? It's all soft greige cabinets and beautiful warm wood tones. But the actual game changer? The island. It's this absolute beast of an island, easily 8 feet long and 4 feet wide, with a rustic live edge wood top. It looks like it was carved from a single piece of reclaimed timber. It screams, gather here, make memories. No more cramped kitchens where you bump elbows. This layout offers massive circulation space, probably 4.5 feet of clearance everywhere, so you can host the whole squad. And those 3 hammered copper pendant lights above the island, they are just perfection. They add this rich, earthy texture that prevents the whole design from feeling too sterile. Honestly, if your current kitchen drama involves feeling cluttered or just plain boring, this design is the fix. It integrates the appliances seamlessly into those gorgeous greige cabinets. So clean, so organized. This room is beautiful, but I've saved the best part for last. Follow me.